Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we are diving deep into a common issue that many iOS users have encountered. An error occurred installing iOS 16.3.1. Don't worry, we have got you covered with some troubleshooting tips to get you back on track. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Before we begin, it's important to note that encountering errors during software updates is not uncommon. It can be frustrating, but fear not, we are here to help you resolve the issue. Here are a few solutions to troubleshoot an error occurred installing iOS 16.3.1. Solution 1. Free up storage space. iOS update requires sufficient storage space on your device. If you are low on space, consider deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or videos to create enough room for the update. You can also transfer files to iCloud or your computer to free up space. Solution 2. Retry the update. Sometimes a temporary glitch can cause the error. Simply retrying the update might resolve the issue. Head over to the settings, tap on General and select Software Update. If the update failed previously, you should see the option to retry. Solution 3. Update via iTunes. If the over-the-air update keeps failing, try updating your device using iTunes on your computer. Connect your device, open iTunes, select your device and click on Check for Update. Follow the on-screen instructions to install iOS 16.3.1. Solution 4. DFU Restore. If all else fails, performing a device firmware update restore might be the solution. It's important to note that this process erases all data on your device, so make sure you have a recent backup. Connect your device to your computer, open iTunes and put your device into DFU mode following the instructions on the screen. iTunes will detect the device in recovery mode and prompt you to restore it. After the restore is complete, you can set up your device from a backup or start afresh.
If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. Also, do share it with your friends and families. For more videos like these, do subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You can read more such amazing blogs on our website. Visit gossipfunda.com. Link is in the description box. Do check it out. See you in the next video.